Ready to scale your industrial training labs or engineering facilities? Meet the Ned3 Pro integration pack. Seamlessly integrate the compact 6-axis cobot into industry-standard systems like Festo, SMC or Amatrol. It's built for seamless integration. With our I/O adapter, sync instantly with 24 volts industrial machines, PLCs and sensors. No laptop? No problem. Use Player One to launch robotic cycles directly from the HMI. Just tap and go. Master your workflow with Niryo Academy tutorials to sync your robots with your PLCs from brands like Schneider, Siemens or Allen Bradley. The ultimate pack for flexible integration.